Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that sub button for me and hit that like button if you enjoy my content. I'm gonna do a gel polish review for you guys from a company called Kastiny. This kit comes with 6 different colors, and these colors are very bright and vibrant. They would be really great in the summertime. Let me say I have reviewed product from Kastiny before, but these seemed really rich and really pigmented. That's not to say that the last gel polish I got from them was bad, but I don't know if it's because they're bigger bottles or maybe they're changing the formula. Honestly, I think it's in competition a little bit with Beetles right now for the consistency and the quality. I really love this set of polishes that they sent. So they have really lovely colors. Look at that blue, and then this yellow for all you guys who love yellow. So let me know if you've tried Kastiny before and if you enjoy their polish. I really love this set. Here are all the colors lined up for you, and I'm also going to show you the matte top coat, how it looks on 3 different colors. There it is. And here is the glossy top coat as well. Well, that is my review, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.